So this is what it looks like. You got all your accessories inside here. That's pretty cool. I love the open design. That is awesome. Absolutely awesome. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this strap off, open up like this, and this is where your laptop's gonna go. You can open this up, and this can make your laptop tighter or loose if you need to, depending on your laptop size. You can pull this out as well. So pull this out, lift this up, and then push it, make it tight against your laptop. And over here is the monitor. So let's go ahead and see how it works. It's here now, and let's say we want to open up setting here. So I can move things however I want. I can have it split, put it all the way over here, all the way over on my other monitor screen, or you can mirror. So mirroring, this is a split screen, and which means I can do other stuff over here and then also do other stuff over here.